Hi children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes, children, today I will take third class English. So everyone take out your third class English textbook children. Yes, so open your textbook. So last class we already learned 17th lesson. The simple past tense is finished children, isn't it? So now children, today we learn 18th lesson, the simple future tense. So future means next, they will come tomorrow. So that is our future children. Ready? Lesson 18. The simple future tense. Okay children, ready? Yes, let's get started. Read this poem. I will be a farmer with lots of foals and chicks, and 4 and 20 cows with lots of lamb and sheep. I will run and play with them all day until night falls when we go to sleep. Okay children, here one farmer is there. So farmer have lots of foals and chicks and 4 and 20 cows and lots of lamb and sheep. So farmer run and play with them all day until night falls when we go to sleep. Understood children? So now complete the sentence with suitable verbs. All the verbs have two words. So children, this now we'll complete the suitable verbs children. So verb have two words. Now let's get started children. We'll write. Yes children, ready? So children, see, when the little boy grow up, he will be a farmer. Now complete the sentence children. When the little boy grow up, he will be a farmer. Will be a farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. So second one. He will have lots of foals, chick, lamb and sheep. So will have. W-I-L-L will. H-A-V have. So third one. He will run and will play with them all day. So will run and will play. And we play. Okay children? So next 8, 9. Yes children, now fourth one. At night they will go to sleep. Will go to sleep. So write neatly children. Will be a farmer, will have, will run and will play, will go. Yes children, finish. So next, see children here. Read these sentences. They will act in play tomorrow. So they will act in play tomorrow. So tomorrow means future tense. So tomorrow. The paper will play at the wedding. So the piper will play at the wedding. So will play. I will sleep at 9 o'clock. So I will sleep at 9 o'clock. The verb will act, will play and will sleep. The action that will have some time in the future. So the will act, will play, will sleep. What happens at some time in the future. So verb that show action that will happen in the future said to be in the simple future tense. Verb that show action that will happen future are said. So that said we tell simple future tense. Okay children? Verbs show that The simple future tense takes from I will plus verb. So I will. So tomorrow I'll go to picnic. I'll go to cinema. So will come be future. Understood, children? So see, children, here for a bit, look at this table about a boy called Harish. Complete the sentence about this future with the simple future tense of the verbs used in the left column. So children, look at the table, children. A boy called Harish. His boy name is Harish. Complete the sentence about his future. So with example future tense of the verbs, use the left column. So already even gave children Harish futures. So after 10 years, Harish become a big. So where is the Harish future, children? So after 10 years, so right here, children, left side column, he will be a teenager. So now Harish will be a teenager. So next, children, see. Yes. Second one, children. A big B1. He will sleep in the night. Later, sleep in the night. So B will sleep. Will sleep. So C1. He will study in college then. Will study. Now children, future tense means will study. Now will do. D. He will play cricket for the college. So will play. Play, play. So now even Hari's sisters will help him with his science project. So will help. So D1, sorry, D, E, F and F with children. F1, he will live closer to his college then. So will leave. 8, F, G. Everyone will like Harish. So will like Harish. So H1, I will be his best friend then. So will be best friend then. So write neatly, children, B bit. So what is the B1? He dash later in the night. So he will sleep later in the night. He dash in college then. He will study in college then. So D1, he dash cricket for the college team. He will play cricket for the college team. E. Hari's sister dashed him with his science project. So Hari's sister will help him with his science project. F1, he dashed closer to his college then. He will live closer to his college then. Everyone dash Harish. Everyone will like Harish. H. I dash his best friend then. I will be his best friend then. So I will. Simple future tense. Tomorrow. Future means next. Come up. So that is futures. Everyone should write neatly in your textbook, children. Will sleep, will study, will play, will help, will live, will like, will be. Yes, children. So next, see children. So next, be big children. Yes. So be big. Complete the passage using the given words. Some words may be used more than one. So children, here given passage, so using the given words, some word may be used more than once. So here, some word may be used more than once. Radha is walking down the road carrying a pot of milk on her. She decided that she dash a milkmaid when she grow up. So here we'll write the passage. So we'll write complete the passage children. So ready? Yes children. So Radha is walking on the road carrying a pot of milk. She decided that she will be a milkmaid. When she grow up, she will carry pots of milk. So she will sell milk to people in nearby village. She said to herself, with the money I will get, you fill the dashes children, the dashes is there, so you fill the dashes and write to complete the passage children, okay, so we'll get, from selling milk, I will buy some eggs. The eggs will hatch into fine chicks. The chicks will grow into hens, will sell the hens and get a lot of money. With that money will toss head and say, no thinking this, she tosses her head, the pot falls from her head. Radha cries, say, no, I will never be rich. So, will never be rich. So, write the dashes children, complete the passage. Radha is walking down on the road, carrying a pot of milk on her. She decided that she will be a milkmaid when she grow up. She will carry pots of milk. She will sell milk to the people in the nearby village. She says to help with the money I will get from selling this milk. Will buy some eggs. The eggs to find the chick. The chicks is near to the hen. The hedge into hedge. So will grow the hen and get a lot of money. So will that money will sell a like saree, a beautiful. I will buy beautiful when I ask secret of my wealth. So my head and say no. Will not so. Thinking it tosses her head, the pot falls down. So her Radha cries and says, no, I will never reach. carry, will sell, will get, will buy, will hatch, will grow, will sell, will buy, will be, will toss, will never. Past tense, present tense and future tense. So these tense are past tense, present tense, future tense. This is, now we learn future tense, children. Will be, will carry, will sell, will get, will buy, will hatch, will grow, will sell, will buy, will toss, will never. So this is 18th lesson. Yes, children. So the simple future tense is completed, children. So lesson is done. So future tense means tomorrow, children. Okay. So the simple present tense means now, and present day continuous means now continuously. So next, the simple past tense happened yesterday. So, and the simple future tense tomorrow. Okay, children. What, children? Yesterday, today and tomorrow. Understood, children? Now, yesterday and tomorrow. So this is future tense, present tense and past tense. Understood, children? So your lesson is completed, children. So write Sakshi. So write the notes completed, children, and textbook also complete in your class workbook and textbook. Okay, children, complete your notes and send me school WhatsApp group. So your notes is completed, your textbook is completed. It's compulsory, children. So when your notes is completed, you send me school WhatsApp, children, and textbook also you send me photo school WhatsApp group, children. Okay, children. So children, we'll meet you next class. Bye, children. Take care.